So today I'm going to show you guys some of the omiyage or gifts that my mother-in-law brought back from her trip to Tokyo. She got some things from friends and family there to bring back to share with us, and some things she picked up herself, most likely at either the airport or train stations. This right here is a kurumi snack, which is like a walnut-based snack. It's kind of like mochi and then little chunks of nut inside. And the really cool thing about this particular snack is that it's wrapped in a kind of rice paper that you can eat. So you look at it at first and think, wait, am I supposed to unwrap this? But you can actually just eat it the way it is, just like that. Oh wait, no, take the outer part off. There, just like that. That's got a thin layer of paper on it that kind of looks a little like wax paper almost, but you can eat it, like my daughter's eating it now. And it's a little chewy because it is mochi, but she likes it, so it's yummy. It's more of an older style snack though. That little snack that you just saw there was one that my mother-in-law bought that was 500 yen just for one, and is kind of special to her. She didn't really want to share it with everybody else, but my husband was harassing her to open it up and let everyone have a bite. So Audrey went ahead and opened it. It's a kaki or persimmons based snack. It's dried, and then inside is some kind of like a mochi inside, but not exactly. So we have it opened there, but I think Audrey's a little full from the other snack to eat one quite yet. So over here we have some baumkuchen, which is a kind of cake, and I'll have to look up to see where that originally is from. It's from probably like either I don't want to insult where it's from. I think it's from like Holland or Germany or something. So, but this particular kind of baumkuchen is lenlinya, and it's the best that you can buy. You can only buy it at the airport, and they don't sell things online, and they make it on a giant kind of like stick, and as they roll the dough on it, it kind of drips off in these cool little lumps and makes the exterior of the cake look kind of bumpy. And it's a kind of a unique way of making it. There are lots of other baumkuchens, lots of different flavors. It's a very, very popular kind of cake, but this particular one's the best, I think, easily, by far. Super delicious. And just layer after layer after layer of cake wrapped on there, and then dusted with a little bit of sugar on the outside. Then we have some pretty traditional Tokyo kinds of snacks. This is a new one here that's Edokuro donuts, and that box inside just has 6 individually wrapped donuts, and we went ahead and opened one up to see what it was like, but kind of expensive considering how few there are inside. I was expecting it to be super delicious. I'm a huge donut fan, so went ahead and tried this one, and have to say here, we gave it a little nibble. The outside, it looks pretty cake based, nothing too fancy, just a basic chocolate kind of donut. But then the flavor I thought was a little disappointing. It was kind of just like your average plain old chocolate donut. Not that rich tasting, kind of boring. So I let my daughter Kate try a little nibble, and she eats pretty much everything, but later put it down to eat something else. The thing she really wanted to eat was this. This is a Sky Tree chocolate. Sky Tree is the new kind of tower in Tokyo, and these chocolates are like a white chocolate cookie cream kind of flavor, and they're shaped like the Sky Tree. And those are classic kinds of gifts that you might get when you go on a trip to Tokyo. My daughter over there, Audrey, now she's eating that persimmon snack. She kind of liked it, but didn't want to eat it all because she knows that it's her grandma's favorite, so she made sure to save some after a couple nibbles here. She's a huge fan of persimmon too, so the two of them always kind of fight over the dried persimmon that we make every year.